In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your own image as Gmail background. If you want to personalize your Gmail inbox and make it feel a little more like your own, changing the background theme with one of your own photos is a simple way to do it. This only takes a few moments, and once you know where to click, it's very easy to repeat anytime you want to update the look. To get started, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Make sure you're fully loaded into the main inbox screen before moving on, because the theme settings are accessed directly from there. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the page, near the search bar, and click the gear icon. This opens the quick settings panel where Gmail gives you access to display and theme options. In that settings area, find the section labeled theme, then click view all. This opens the full theme selection window where you can browse Gmail's built-in backgrounds as well as use your own images. When the theme window appears, click My Photos. This is the option that lets you choose an image connected to your account instead of one of Gmail's default background images. After that, click Photos. This will take you to the area where images saved to your account can be selected. If you already have the picture you want available there, you're ready for the next step. If not, you'll need to upload your image to your account first, so it appears in this section. It's a good idea to choose a photo that looks clear and isn't too busy, since Gmail text and menus still need to remain easy to read on top of it. Now click on the photo you want to use as your Gmail background. Take a quick moment to make sure it's the right image, especially if you have several similar looking photos in your library. Once your photo is selected, click Insert. Gmail will then apply that image as your background theme. And that's it. Your inbox should now display your custom image, giving Gmail a more personal look. If the image feels too bright or distracting, you can always go back into the theme settings later and choose a different one that works better. In general, softer images or photos with some empty space tend to make the inbox easier to view. Thanks for watching. And that's how to set your own image as Gmail background.